Today's recipe is about how to make tomato and garlic pasta sauce, and you don't even need a blender. Now, tomatoes are no longer in season, but that's no problem. We can still make an amazing tomato sauce for the pasta with tin tomatoes. Just make sure that you choose a good quality one. Now we begin this recipe by chopping up finely half white onion and 6 cloves of garlic. Now I know you're probably thinking 6 cloves of garlic, that's a lot, and you're probably right, but because we're cooking it, it kind of loses some of that strength. Now we'll keep this very simple. Set the saucepan on medium-high heat, and when the pan is hot enough, add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, followed by the chopped onion and the garlic. Now we're gonna cook the onion and the garlic for about 5 minutes or until the onion starts becoming translucent. And it's at that point that the onion will also become sweeter, which really helps because the tomatoes, especially the ones in the tin, they're quite acid. So this will balance well properly. Now with your onion translucent, we're gonna go in with some spices and some flavor. And in this situation, I wanna go towards the Italian side. So I've got here some dry oregano. I'm going in with 1/4 teaspoon. Also some dry basil, again, 1/4 teaspoon. And some chili flakes. This is again optional because some people don't like spicy. 1/4 teaspoon goes in too. Now for the tin tomatoes, I prefer going for peeled plum tomatoes because I feel that they are better quality. But again, there are some really good brands, that offer chopped tomatoes that are just as good. And now we're going in with the seasoning, about 1/4 teaspoon of table salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Now we're gonna continue cooking this for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. And during this time, the sauce will reduce slightly. And also, it's quite important cooking without the lid on because this way the process is just gonna be so much faster. Now, after about 10-15 minutes of cooking, using a potato masher, or if you don't have one, then just go with a fork, absolutely crush all these tomatoes into a rough texture paste. Taste, see if it needs any other seasoning. And this is perfectly fine, but in certain situations, you might feel that it just needs a touch of sugar. Don't go with more than 1 teaspoon and it should be all good. And I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe. And if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this.